This is how to log in to NotebookLM. First, open your favorite web browser and type in notebooklm.google.com. Hit enter and enter your email address. So this is your Google account. Click next. Then enter your Google account password and click next. And if you don't have a 2FA for your Google account, you will be quickly logged into NotebookLM. So this is how to log in to NotebookLM.